take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine.
How do I feel about Donovan Mitchell dropping 71?
Drug test.
I ain't even seen the highlights, bro.
How do you feel about Luka going 60, 21, and 10?
I seen that though. I watched that. I watched the tail end of that.
Did you see the last? They was down.
You see his little putback?
But they was down 9 points with 30 seconds left.
Yeah, I watched that game. Yeah, Luka went crazy. Man. 60, 20, 10.
How the fuck do you get 60 points, 20 rebounds, and 10 assists, and your team win by 5?
In OT.
What?
I like his game.
That is a cry for help.
Luka's a beast. I made a statement when he was under 21 or when he was 21. I said he's the best ever at that age. This was like 2 years ago. This was like a year or two ago.
Pause.
I think so. I think Luka Doncic.
There's a Jason Tatum that exists.
He's better than Jason Tatum today.
You are high as fuck.
Jason Tatum, my favorite player.
You are high as fuck.
Bar none. He's my favorite player since a rookie. And I will tell you, Luka Doncic is better than him right now.
I'm not giving him that. But fuck, Luka ain't been in no finals.
Can I ask y'all a question?
He's been to a conference final.
That ain't the finals, nigga.
Who is your top 5 right now in the NBA?
The top 5.
Jason Tatum, Marcus Smart, Jaylen Brown, Al Horford, Rob Williams.
Now LeBron?
Starting 5 on the Celtics.
Yeah, he big Celtics fan. I mean,
he is. I forgot.
I'm not as big as I'm not technically a Celtics fan though. I'm a fan of the game.
Wait.
And Jason Tatum, my favorite player, so I rock with.
Wait, so who's your top 5 right now in the league?
No, my real starting 5. Go ahead, JJ.
Let's go with the Joker. Let's go with LeBron. Let's go with Luka. Let's go with KD. And let's go with, I still say Steph Curry. Steph Curry.
Yeah, that's a high ass list. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, we really gonna go Steph Curry for sure.
Number 1?
No order.
No particular order.
No order.
Okay.
Steph, we gotta go. JT for sure. I don't care what you talking about. JT on that list. That boy AD when he on the court. He's
like I really don't.
Yeah, AD when he playing this year when he was playing. Yeah, he was on hammer.
I thought he was going MVP.
AD was putting up crazy numbers.
That's a scary dude.
AD dropped 50 this year
That's
and 40 back to back.
Yeah. He
dropped 40, 50 back to back.
Let's not overshadow Tatum did the same shit.
Similar.
Bro, he really is a baller fan trying to get him in.
He has 50-point games with 40-point like.
Yeah. Tatum.
And then we're gonna go. We're gonna go Steph, AD. We gotta go Giannis.
Oh yeah.
Because
I forgot Giannis. Maybe no Steph Curry. Giannis. My bad.
What nigga?
I don't know. Bron Cole.
Bro,
Bron still cold.
Nigga, Giannis is a generational talent.
No, Giannis.
How the fuck do you
I forgot Giannis. He in my top 5.
So you saying LeBron's not a generation?
Not right now. No, he. Of course, LeBron is a generational talent. But I'm saying like if we talking about right now, bro, Giannis is better. You taking but you taking Curry over LeBron right now?
Yeah.
Do you see what Curry was doing when he was on the court?
He crazy too.
He was carrying the fuck out the Warriors. Like, bruh, no, we're not gonna take LeBron.
Oh no, yeah, you might.
You can take Jokic off that bullshit ass list. What the
Joker top 5.
No,
the Joker top 5.
You taking Joker over LeBron?
No,
Joker over Curry.
I just named it. Yeah. As an individual player, maybe. As an individual player.
Bro, Curry has changed the game.
All right, finish your top 5. Finish your top 5, and then we're gonna go from there, man.
We gotta go. So we got Curry, JT. We got Giannis, AD, and we gotta go. Luka gonna make it. Luka gonna make top 5.
Luka top 5, bro.
Luka on top 5, but he 5. Luka top 5, but he 5.
Luka top 3 in the league to me.
Bro, JT is a better player.
I got JT at like 6 or 7.
You capping, bro?
He my favorite player. I got no reason to.
He ain't never took them nowhere.
All right, let me ask y'all this though. Not to break the topic, but it's still a topic. What about y'all coach? He coming back next year?
It's over.
He's done.
Damn.
His little freaky ass is over.
Udoka, he's done.
Udoka, he blew it. It's
He came. He said he put his fingerprint on the team though.
He did put a finger. He put a finger somewhere.
He put his fingerprint on that roster. He turned that roster around. Even his interim coach is doing this.
So he's not coming back.
They still
it's over.
Boston still cold right now. They still one of the top teams in the NBA.
That shit is beyond repair.
They got the best duo in the league. Jaylen Brown, Jason Tatum.
No. Let's put some respect on that. The best fucking. I don't want to hear Kyrie and KD. Fuck that. I don't want to hear AD and LeBron. No. Fucking Jason Tatum is averaging 30 points, and fucking Jaylen Brown is averaging over 25. Bro.
That's the best duo.
They are hand in hand. If Jason Tatum dropped 40, Jaylen Brown's dropping 35. Like, simple. Like,
so you think they're going back?
Yes, we will be there, and I will be there.
That boy, he averaging 27 right now, Jaylen Brown.
Exactly. And what is Tatum averaging?
30.
Like, come on, bro. You don't got no duos doing that
efficiently too.
So
exactly.
So to piggyback off what you said, not to switch subjects because I'm a basketball fan, but I really don't care this year because my Lakers not doing good. So let's talk about your Raiders. Like, you really think Derek Carr is not coming back next year?
No, nigga, that shit's over with. Like, fuck all that goodbye speech ass bullshit, bro. You done. You had 10 seasons, you ain't did shit. Like, we ain't went nowhere, bro.
So you're a Kansas City Chief now?
No. I'm gonna give the Raiders a fair shot. If depending on what we do in the draft and free agency, after I see who's gonna be leading this team, then I make my decision. But if we come back with some more mediocre bullshit, bro, goodbye Raiders. Y'all done. Like,
Come to Dallas, man.
Not doing that. Y'all mediocre as fuck too.
Nah, bro, we really making a push, bro. Like, we really getting shit together.
Bro, you don't get tired of like doing this every year? Like,
real what?
Like, y'all be like so juice going into the playoffs and then swear y'all get cheated every year.
Got bring that into it?
That's 1 year.
I wouldn't say that was cheating. That's just the rule.
That's a questionable call or whatever, but nigga,
just the interpretation of the rule. It's
one play don't make a game.
Yes, it do.
No, it don't.
It don't.
We had multiple opportunities to do something else before that, and I fucked up. All right,
we'll be there.
Y'all be weird.
We'll be at the Super Bowl.
Y'all be in the playoffs.
Yeah, y'all be in the playoffs, nigga. Y'all not like y'all do this shit every. That's the thing with y'all.
Who's y'all?
Like the Cowboy fan base, like y'all like really support mediocre bullshit. If we being honest,
this is coming out of Oakland.
Where do you rank Dak Prescott? Is Dak Prescott in the top 10 of QBs in the league?
No.
No,
statistically wise, yes.
What statistics?
No, I'm saying like probably not this year, but last year he was in top. He was top.
Last year he was top 10. Yeah, he was top stats 10. On paper.
I said stat wise.
Okay, well,
but don't get me wrong. I'm not a Dak fan. I mean, he's just like Derek Carr. He's throwing interceptions. He does terrible play calling, and then let's not forget what he did last year in the playoffs.
Bro,
he did a draw play with 16 seconds left.
You can put anybody in that Cowboy system, and they'll do better than Dak Prescott.
What about Brock Purdy?
In that Cowboy system?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going back up
because they don't ask him to do much. Like they really got a cool receiving core. The Cowboys really like y'all. They got a solid defense.
Our defense ain't solid.
What are you saying?
It's elite.
Jason still 34 bitch.
Hey, that's just one game. Like, it's gonna happen.
Hey, he never started.
We don't got tape on him.
He never started again.
We don't got tape on him.
You don't got tape on him. Shit,
he has tape on us. We have no tape on him.
Y'all didn't have no
He put a lot of tape out there though for the next defensive coordinator.
I ain't gonna lie, JJ. Y'all almost lost.
But we won the game. That's crazy, right? We're the third.
The Raiders
our quarterback is the third string.
But okay, look, like
we've beaten teams with the third string.
No.
Y'all, the Raiders are terrible.
Going into the game, we knew who was gonna win. We do this. We've been doing this shit all season. Like, we get big leads and then fuck it off. Like, we knew it was gonna happen. But it's the fact that we was in the game with an elite defense.
I'm going to say this, y'all.
Y'all gassed them. Y'all need new direction.
We need a new owner.
That's what I mean. But he can still own the team, but he gotta let somebody else run it.
Yeah, but
it's like we do it. We got the same draft. Our problem is the draft. Like
y'all
we got the same. No, we don't. We go after O linemen, and we keep doing the shit. Like that shit dead, bro. There is no way in hell we should just keep drafting these mediocre ass O linemen that don't never pan out, and then second round we like, bro.
Josh Jacobs out. He out.
I ain't gonna lie. My theory on it is we sign and trade. Don't get me wrong. Josh Jacobs is a great player. He's a running back. They come a dime a dozen.
Wait, y'all signing who?
How much are we supposed to pay Josh Jacobs?
40.
Really? We gonna pay a fucking running back $40 million?
Why not?
And then look like the goddamn Cowboys?
Yeah.
Hey, that's
like, bro, I think he has good. He's holding value right now. He has a high value. He's balling out right now. Fuck it, trade him. We got the draft. We can pick up a running back.
Y'all don't have no picks, do you?
Yeah, nigga, we have a top 10 pick.
Yeah. I thought y'all gave.
Did you see our season?
I thought y'all gave all that shit away.
No, but we've been getting picks.
So let me say this: how you feel about Lamar come?
No, that's what I think should happen. I think we need to put together a package, possibly Carr and Jacobs. Take your asses over there to Baltimore, and come on, like
y'all sign him for
that'd be a game changer.
Sign him for 200.
That'd be a game.
No, we'll 200. And we'll give him 3.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
The whole 300.
The whole 300.
They do that. Vegas would be turned, bro.
Deshaun Watson got 240. So shit.
Y'all gotta give him
Lamar way better than Deshaun.
No, he's not.
No,
he's not.
Right now, like he less baggage.
No,
What are you talking about?
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Deshaun has never won an MVP.
He can't win. He was in Texas.
Okay, so we're not talking about what is. We're talking about
see what
Go for a minute.
No. Deshaun Watson is better than Lamar Jackson. You heard it here first.
You high as fuck.
No, I'm not. Didn't even smoke today.
Deshaun ain't that. Look at the numbers.
Man, Deshaun Jackson is
not better than him right now, though.
Deshaun
Watson. I'm sorry. Deshaun Watson. I'm saying Deshaun Jackson. My bad, y'all.
He's not better than him.
He's not better. Lamar Jackson's not better than him, bro.
Lamar Jackson got an MVP. He got playoff wins.
If it wasn't for that little massage shit, do you know this boy?
He's the first unanimous MVP.
Oh gosh, that'll make up anything, bro. I'm just telling you, bro. Just pay attention.
Look at the numbers.
Listen, they both ain't got a Super Bowl.
Nigga.
So he got an MVP. Oh fucking well.
Deshaun ain't got no MVP.
Deshaun is a better player. He's a better passer.
How?
Man,
I agree that he's a better passer.
He's a better passer.
How? The numbers won't even say that.
Yes, it will.
What's Deshaun?
You got a phone.
What's Deshaun most? You look up Deshaun shit. I'm gonna look up.
I'm looking at Deshaun. His best season was his MVP season. Not Deshaun, but Lamar. But I got Watson. He a better passer for sure.
Bro, I don't believe it.
Just Lamar, he got that running. You know, he gonna run for you.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
his most yards is 31,000. That's not. I mean,
come on, man.
He threw 36 touchdowns. He led the league in touchdowns.
Who?
Lamar Jackson.
Deshaun Jackson threw 36.
Look at these yards, bro. Total 15,000.
But he did that and he ran for a band.
Come on, man.
He ain't threw 36, nigga.
He threw 100 touchdowns already. Can you please go to Lamar?
Nigga, Lamar only been in the league for like a couple years.
He's only been in the league since 2017.
Lamar got 101 touchdown passes.
101?
Yeah.
He missed the whole season and got 109. He missed 2 NFL seasons.
Nigga, he said he been in the league since 2017.
Who been in the league? How long Deshaun?
This is his 5th year. So
thank you.
He averaged.
And he set out 2 years. He set out 2 years. He came in the league 17. He set out 2 years.
This nigga Jackson got hella rushing yards though.
Yeah, nigga, like, what are you talking about right now? They got the same amount of touchdowns.
No, they don't. He said he got 100.
This nigga got.
He got 109.
Okay, how many rushing touchdowns do he got?
Who? You really went with rushing?
Yes.
He got in total. He got 18 rushing touchdowns.
That's not bad. I think Lamar got that in his season.
Lamar got 24 in his career.
And he got 18 and he missed 2 seasons.
How many years Watson been playing?
He came in the league in 2017.
Oh, so he played an extra year? So a year older?
And he missed, and he started only 7 games.
Bruh, Deshaun Watson, Lamar Jackson missed some games.
If I'm reading this wrong, please tell me that he only played in 56 games.
Let me see. Yeah. Let me see.
Deshaun Watson only played in 56 games. Look, 16, 15, 16, and 7, and 12. 5. Yeah, he's nowhere close. Deshaun Jackson. Listen, Lamar Jackson, he's cool. Don't get me wrong.
You crazy as fuck if you're taking Deshaun Watson.
I am. Ball security for sure. That's one of them.
Ball security? Lamar Jackson doesn't be fumbling no more.
Listen to what you just said.
Bro, Lamar Jackson a better player, bro. You high as fuck.
Bro. He would have got MVP that year.
So if you had a chance to take Lamar Jackson or Deshaun Watson, you taking Deshaun?
Massage chair, please.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
I'm probably gonna go with Lamar.
Yeah.
I'm not. He ain't finished the season, have he?
He took his team. He got a playoff win. I don't think that nigga even been to the playoffs.
I think they went.
They win.
They blew a lead against Kansas City.
Yeah. He doesn't have a defense.
Nigga, Lamar don't either. Lamar Jackson got the
Lamar
same
Jackson
got
4 He had 4 Pro Bowls on his defense for the last 3 years.
Nigga, you want to know?
Name 2 players off the Texas defense.
You want to know how many? J.J. Watt.
He ain't been there. He's been there.
J.J. Watt was definitely there with Deshaun.
He's been home for 3 seasons already.
Okay, but nigga, do you know how many players the Raiders got on defense that got Pro Bowls?
Where? This year?
Yeah.
Who?
Chandler Jones.
Yeah, alternates.
He's not a fucking
Alternates.
Max Crosby.
Oh god.
Not no alternate. Stop playing, nigga.
Is that the gay dude?
Nah. We had no gay dude on our defense.
Yes, I did.
No, we didn't.
Remember you suffering from alcohol abuse and
Bro, don't sex play us like that. We don't have no gay dudes on our defense.
He did.